Today's video is especially for you. Not to sell you expensive creams, not to promise overnight miracles, but to calmly, honestly, and naturally explain how pigmentation forms, why it increases with age, and what you can realistically do to reduce it naturally and safely. By the end of this video series, you'll understand your skin better, and you'll have simple, practical habits that truly support clearer, healthier-looking skin from the inside out. Before we begin, if this topic matters to you, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who may benefit, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us reach more older adults who deserve clear and trustworthy health guidance. Now let's begin gently. Pigmentation happens when your skin produces too much melanin. Melanin is the natural pigment that gives color to your skin, hair, and eyes. It's actually protective. It shields your skin from sun damage. But when melanin production becomes uneven, it starts to collect in certain areas, creating dark spots or patches. As we age, three major things increase pigmentation. Years of sun exposure add up, skin renewal slows down, and hormonal and metabolic changes affect how melanin is controlled. That's why pigmentation often appears later in life, even if your skin was clear for decades. Many older adults notice flat brown or black spots on the hands and face, often called age spots. Some see darker areas caused by long-term sun exposure. Others notice uneven patches after skin irritation, rashes, or healing. In most cases, this type of pigmentation is not dangerous, but it is a sign that your skin needs care and support, not harsh treatment. As we grow older, our skin becomes thinner, more sensitive and slower to heal. This is why strong bleaching creams, aggressive peels, and chemical treatments can actually make pigmentation worse over time. Mature skin does not respond well to punishment. A natural approach works differently. It focuses on gently reducing excess melanin, supporting skin repair, protecting against further damage, and improving overall skin health from within. Studies show that antioxidants, proper nutrition, and lifestyle habits play a powerful role in regulating pigmentation, especially in aging skin. It's very important to be realistic. Natural methods do not erase pigmentation overnight. What they do is fade dark spots gradually, prevent new ones from forming, improve overall skin tone, and make the skin calmer, brighter, and healthier. Most people notice visible improvement in 4 to 8 weeks with consistency. We'll talk about the hidden internal causes of pigmentation that many people never consider, including nutrition gaps, liver health, and everyday habits that silently darken the skin. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to get rid of pigmentation is focusing only on the skin's surface. Creams, masks, treatments, they all matter, but they are only part of the picture. For adults over 55, pigmentation often begins inside the body, long before it shows on the face. Let's talk about that gently and honestly. Your skin is a reflection of what's happening internally. When certain systems inside the body are under stress, pigmentation becomes one of the ways the body shows imbalance. One major factor is oxidative stress. As we age, our bodies produce more free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells. Sun exposure, pollution, stress, and even poor sleep increase these free radicals. When the skin is exposed to them repeatedly, melanocytes, the cells that produce melanin, become overactive. This leads to darker patches forming over time. Another overlooked cause is nutrient deficiency. After the age of 55, the body absorbs nutrients less efficiently. Even if you eat regularly, you may still be low in key vitamins that protect the skin. Deficiencies in vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, and iron have all been linked to increased pigmentation and uneven skin tone in older adults. Vitamin C, for example, helps regulate melanin production and supports collagen repair. When levels are low, pigmentation tends to linger longer and fade more slowly. Zinc supports skin healing. Vitamin E protects skin cells from oxidative damage. These nutrients don't work in isolation, they work together. Then there's liver health, something many people don't connect with skin at all. Your liver is responsible for detoxifying the body. When it's overburdened due to medications, processed foods, alcohol, or long-term digestive issues, toxins may circulate longer in the bloodstream. This can trigger pigmentation, dullness, and uneven skin tone. In traditional medicine systems, pigmentation has long been viewed as a sign that the liver needs support. Hormonal changes also play a role, especially in postmenopausal women. Estrogen helps regulate melanin. As hormone levels shift, melanin control becomes less stable, which is why pigmentation may suddenly worsen even without extra sun exposure. Now here's the good news. When you address these internal factors gently through food, hydration, and daily habits, the skin often responds naturally. You're not forcing it to change. You're allowing it to heal. We'll talk about specific foods that help reduce pigmentation naturally. Foods that are easy to find, affordable, and especially beneficial for people over 55. These are foods that support the skin, the liver, and the body as a whole. What you eat every day has a direct effect on how your skin behaves. For older adults, food can either calm pigmentation or quietly make it worse. The goal is not strict dieting, but adding supportive foods consistently. One of the most important nutrients for reducing pigmentation is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps slow down excess melanin production and supports skin repair. It also helps existing dark spots fade more evenly over time. Foods rich in vitamin C include oranges, lemons, amla, guava, kiwi, bell peppers, and tomatoes. For seniors, it's better to consume these fresh and in moderate amounts rather than relying only on supplements. Another powerful group of foods are those rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals that trigger pigmentation. Berries, pomegranate, grapes, green leafy vegetables, and green tea are excellent examples. Even 1 cup of green tea a day has been shown in studies to reduce oxidative stress and protect skin cells from sun-related damage. Vitamin E is equally important, especially for aging skin. It helps repair damaged skin cells and prevents further darkening. Almonds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, and wheat germ are natural sources. A small handful of nuts daily is enough. More is not better. Now let's talk about zinc, a mineral many older adults are unknowingly low in. Zinc supports skin healing and reduces inflammation that can worsen pigmentation. Pumpkin seeds, lentils, chickpeas, and whole grains are good sources. Zinc deficiency often shows up as slow-healing skin and lingering dark marks. One often ignored but very powerful factor is hydration. Dehydrated skin holds on to pigmentation longer. Drinking enough water helps flush toxins, supports liver function, and improves skin clarity. For seniors, sipping water throughout the day is more effective than drinking large amounts at once. Now, equally important is knowing what to reduce. Excess sugar causes inflammation and damages collagen, which worsens pigmentation. Highly processed foods strain the liver. Too much fried food increases oxidative stress. And excessive tea or coffee without enough water can dehydrate the skin. This doesn't mean you must eliminate everything. It simply means being mindful. Small daily choices create visible changes over time. We'll talk about safe and gentle home remedies for pigmentation, remedies that are suitable for mature, sensitive skin and can be done without harsh ingredients. For mature skin, the rule is simple: mild, consistent, and patient. Strong scrubs, lemon directly on skin, baking soda, or harsh bleaching agents can damage the skin barrier and actually deepen pigmentation over time, so we avoid those. One of the safest and most effective natural ingredients is aloe vera. Aloe contains compounds that help regulate melanin production and soothe inflammation. Applying fresh aloe vera gel to clean skin at night, 3 to 4 times a week, can gradually help lighten dark patches while improving overall skin texture. It's especially suitable for seniors because it hydrates without irritation. Another gentle option is curd or plain yogurt. It contains lactic acid, a very mild natural exfoliant. When used once or twice a week, it helps remove dead skin cells and allows newer, healthier skin to come through. Simply apply a thin layer, leave it on for 10 minutes, and rinse gently. No rubbing. Turmeric, used correctly, can also help. A small pinch mixed with milk or aloe gel can calm inflammation and support even skin tone. The key is moderation. Once a week is enough. Too much turmeric can stain the skin temporarily, which we don't want. Now let's talk about something absolutely essential: sun protection. No natural method will work if the skin is continuously exposed to the sun without protection. Aging skin is more vulnerable to UV damage, and even short exposure can darken pigmentation. Wearing a wide-brimmed hat, using a gentle sunscreen suitable for sensitive or mature skin, and avoiding peak sun hours makes a dramatic difference. This is not about fear, it's about prevention. Another habit that quietly worsens pigmentation is frequent touching or rubbing of the face. Scratching, aggressive towel drying, or over-cleansing can cause inflammation, leading to darker marks. Be kind to your skin, pat it dry, treat it gently. Sleep also matters more than most people realize. During deep sleep, the skin repairs itself. Poor sleep increases stress hormones, which can worsen pigmentation. Aim for regular sleep times and a calming nighttime routine. And finally, remember this: pigmentation is not a flaw. It's a message from your body and skin asking for balance, nourishment, and protection. When you support your body from the inside, protect your skin on the outside, and stay consistent with gentle care, improvement follows naturally. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone who may need it, and subscribe to the channel for more calm, reliable guidance for healthy aging. Be patient with yourself. Your skin has carried you through many years. Now it deserves care, not criticism.